Install the Carter Products Guide Upgrade Kit on your Jet 14-inch bandsaw. Fast, simple, and easy to follow. This instructional video can be used for the following bandsaw guide kits listed here. This tutorial applies to both the standard and micro-adjustable guide systems. First, unplug your bandsaw. Removing the OEM guides. Carefully remove the blade from your bandsaw. Loosen the two knobs beneath the table and remove it for easy access. Using a wrench, loosen the bolt securing the upper guide to the guide post and remove it. Loosen the two bolts of the lower guide mount and remove it from the bandsaw. Clean the guide mounting areas of debris. Installing the Carter Products Jet 14-inch bandsaw guides. Your kit comes fully assembled, including the lower guide, upper guide, guard bracket, blade guard, hardware, and hex wrenches. First, slide the guard bracket up over the vertical guide post and fasten in place with the set screws provided. Next, attach the upper guide bracket and guide and tighten the set screws. Lower the guard bracket so that it is flush with the upper guide bracket and tighten. Install the blade guard into the guard bracket and tighten the two screws. If your vertical guide post has a V-groove, keyway, or flat surface, avoid using the rear set screws, as this may cause misalignment when tightened. Fasten the lower guide to the lower mount with the provided M6 screws. Your guides are now installed and ready for adjustment. Reinstall your blade of choice. The Jet 14 guides are designed to accommodate blades of up to 1-inch widths. Adjusting the guides. Loosen the upper guide assembly and move it forward so that the bearings are just behind the deepest part of the gullet, and tighten. Do the same for the lower guides. To adjust the bearings, use the included hex wrench to loosen the hex screws and move the bearing as close to the blade without touching it as possible, and tighten. If you have the micro-adjustable guides, simply loosen the thumb screws and adjust accordingly. The bearing should not spin while the blade is running, and only begin to when a cut is made. This reduces friction and extends blade life. Adjust the lower side bearings as well. Next, adjust the thrust bearing forward as close as possible to the back of the blade for both the upper and lower guides, and tighten. Reinstall the bandsaw table and table insert, and now you are ready to start cutting. The CTR1 Stabilizer is compatible with your Jet 14 bandsaw guide upgrade kit and easy to install. Carefully remove your bandsaw blade. Remove the upper guides from the cut bracket. Insert the CTR1 Stabilizer into the cut bracket. Then move the lower guides back away from where the blade will be and fasten. Install a 1/4 inch or narrower blade on your bandsaw. Loosen the front set screw and align the bearing groove into the blade, and tighten. Move the CTR1 into the blade about 1/8 of an inch to spring load it, and tighten. Spring loading may require you to readjust blade tracking as needed. You are now ready to cut tight radius cuts on your bandsaw. Take your bandsaw further. Call 888-622-7837 or visit carterproducts.com to unlock upgrades that make every cut better.